those two together because both of them have different properties and features. The thing with gold, yeah, most people bring up this conversation when it comes to supply and demand, as we see in the chat as well. So yeah, gold roughly we know supply, but we don't know 100% because new mines can be discovered, and no different than what De Beers does with the diamond industry. They can control the supply of gold and production. Also, not to mention, is if we find an asteroid out there that has unforeseen amounts of gold, which transforms the supply as well. So the supply dynamics is very different than Bitcoin, where we know for a fact what we're getting and when the issuance is going to be. But the conversation as a whole, trying to compare those two, I don't see why we're even fighting and arguing. I think they're quite beneficial for both each other. Like, I don't know why people say, why is it so binary? Like, why is it I can only have gold or only have Bitcoin? That I just don't understand.
You know,